go. Let's get into it. What's up, everybody? So welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today we're going to be doing another easy install. I'm going to be installing some ditch brackets on the 2012 Sequoia, and super straightforward, easy, just a few tools and the bracket themselves. That's all you're going to need. Don't forget, so good. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so here's what you're going to need. 12 millimeter socket. Sorry, it's not focusing. 12 millimeter socket with a ratchet, or you could do a wrench, whatever your preference is, and something to hold the hood up. If you've been to Mike's YouTube channel, you know why. If you haven't, go check it out. I'll leave a link below. But yeah, super straightforward. That's all you're gonna need, and the bracket themselves. Okay, so here we are. We're under the hood now. I'll show you where we're gonna start. So right here, we're just gonna loosen up these two bolts. Here's a bracket. Obviously, I've already installed mine. The reason why I went with this particular bracket, which is Apoc Industries or Apoc, sorry if I'm messing that up. I'll leave a link to their website below. These, you just slide them in. They're super easy. They're open-ended over here on this side, so they just slide in. Loosen these two up, and they slide right in. Okay. And here's what I did for a little extra security, because when you loosen these up, even if you're just doing one at a time, the hood wants to shift. So this just keeps it in place a little bit better, extra security, especially if you're doing this job by yourself. You don't want to have the hood just fly forward on you. So you loosen these up, both. You do not have to take them all the way out. Just loosen them up, bring the bracket in, start sliding it in. If you find that it's kind of difficult, keep loosening these bolts until it slides in. It will slide in. Once it's in, tighten them up. Also, note, you wanna slide this in between the hood bracket itself and the bolt, not between the bracket and the hood. Hope I'm clear there. And if you buy these, it comes in the instructions. They're pretty clear about that. All right, and that's it. You're done. Get you a set of lights, whatever your preference is, brand, color, whatever you like. Throw them on there. Make sure this bolt right here is tight. Mine came a little bit loose. No problem, tighten it up. And then make sure you adjust these, whatever light you decide to get. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. It was a quick and easy one again. Let me know if you have any questions. Like, comment. See you guys on the next one. And that's it. You're done. And that's it. You're done.